I'm Aurélie Fontan. I studied at the Edinburgh College of Art and I am a fashion designer. I specialize in circular fashion and sustainability. I was really interested in studying fashion in the UK because I think there's more freedom to design in terms of color, textures, and actually it's really interesting because I ended up working in a lab, in a science lab, as well as doing my BA. And there I discovered the field of biodesign and biomimicry. My label is focusing on different design strategies to make the fashion industry more sustainable. And I have a couple of different collections that demonstrate different proofs of concept, from digital manufacturing to rapid prototyping to biodesign and living systems. So I started designing with waste very early on because I had this impression that there were too many new materials that were put out in the world and that there was so much waste that nobody is dealing with. We could perhaps help other industries tackling their waste, and that's why I went to a couple of different industries actually, electricals, for instance with the cable ties I reused in one of my collections. I was interested in single-use plastic items and how they just end up being used and thrown away, which is why I recycled 2,000 cable ties in my first collection. For my latest collection, I have used the leather from the car industry, so I basically channel waste from upholstery, from cars, and it's a type of waste that's very premium, so I reinvest it into my collection. I use different strategies and different techniques, so for this one, for instance, I used weaving. And when I explore that type of thing, I always like to do some biodesign projects on the side. So essentially I've been using mycelium to try to biodegrade the leather waste as well. So in this collection, that's a Spring-Summer 2020, you can see some of the bags have been made of mycelium fabric and essentially just trying to create a material that would be more conscious in terms of environmental impacts, and yeah. So for the London Design Festival, me and Piero D'Angelo have organized the first bio-fashion show, and we're so excited because it's actually the first time we're going to see living systems on the catwalk and eventually in a static exhibition as well. Obviously we're showing within the general context of biodesign here now, that's the wider exhibition. So it's my first time organizing a fashion show. It's a lot of prep. It's very challenging because me and Piero were literally making the collection as we organized the show. We're super grateful for the venue, and to be able to throw this at Open Cell, I think adds a bit more edge to this show. It's a 360 degrees catwalk show, so essentially we're going to see everything from every angle. And we're really proud because everything has been organized with volunteers. We have an amazing team, and Piero is also showing his collection that is including, I think, slime mold and also some type of organic dyes. And for me, I will be showcasing my mycelium fabric and my circular sustainable leather collection.